I'm busy running, doing my HIIT, where I'll walk and then do a couple of sprints, getting to my fat burning zones, and I come across this pal of mine. Really, can you see him? Little rat. Look at him. Hello, Choppy. How are you? You also came for a walk and exercise, or you just lazing around and chowing? Eh? Isn't he so cute? I won't get too close to him. And there he goes. It's wonderful out here in the country. You see all these wonderful things. So the animals, they're all like it's supposed to be. We're supposed to just enjoy nature, go for our runs. And I'm going to show you a bit of the nature itself. But he's not worried about me. Not at all. Anyway, this is where I'm walking. As you can see, just on the outskirts of the town I live in, or villa, a town. Yeah, so there he is. Let's go one more look at him to say bye. I'm going to carry on with my walk, going back home, and we shall see you again. Have a good day.